Welcome to week 1 of English 102. In this video, I'll go over the readings and assignments for this week. If you haven't already, please watch the course overview video located in the syllabus tab here in Canvas. This provides a brief overview to the course objectives and the 3 main writing assignments covered this semester. This week, you'll start off by reading the Unit 1 prompt and watching the attached video where I explain the prompt. Remember, this assignment, the visual rhetorical analysis, is due at the end of week 3, which will come up quickly. After reading and watching the Unit 1 prompt, you should then check out the book review prompt, which is technically the last assignment of this course. Because it involves reading our second assigned text at your own pace, it's important that you understand what will be required of you before reading. Remember, the book review is due August 10th. Once you have familiarized yourself with the 2 assignment prompts, it'll be time to situate yourself with the readings needed to get a successful start with Unit 1. Our text, Everything's an Argument, is accessible. However, there's a lot of material to cover early on. You'll end up covering 6 chapters this week, which might seem overwhelming, but no fear. I'll cover the absolutely essential information in the narrated lecture slides that I'll list below. You'll read the following chapters of Everything's an Argument. Chapter 1, Understanding Arguments. Chapter 2, Arguments based on emotion, pathos. Chapter 3, Arguments based on character, ethos. Chapter 4, Arguments based on facts and reason, logos. Chapter 6, which covers rhetorical analysis. And finally, Chapter 14, which covers visual rhetoric. You also have your first 2 assignments coming up. By Friday, July 2nd, you'll list possible pairs of visual text you might consider using in this first unit project. And by Monday, July 5th, you'll post a working draft of a thesis claim you'd like to make, explore, or investigate using the 2 visual texts you selected. The links to these assignments are on this page, and both are worth 25 points, or 2.5% of your final grade. If you have any questions, please send me an email or message me through Canvas.